Hello everyone, today we are going to do an unboxing of art supplies from Jackson's. They are very special for me today because it's something that I wanted for a long while. I already have some and now I've got all other colors. It's the acrylic gouache, both Holbein and both Turner. So let's unbox it. Okay, put this aside and also this, and yeah, let's start to take out some. So the first one, one moment, I will take it out. Okay, we'll put it aside and we'll take one by one. So the first color would be Holbein Acrylic Gouache Gold. Then Ash Rose, which is the color I wanted for a long time. It's very muted and I really like the ash colors. I have the three others like Ash Blue, Ash Green and Ash Yellow. And this is the last one. Pale Mint, which is great. I really like their pastel colors. And Ultramarine Deep, which I really wanted for a long time for mixing. Then I have Turner two Japanese colors, one Japanese blue-gray and one Japanese enamel. The Japanese colors has some texture to them. They're a bit gritty and I like them for nature and landscapes drawings. So yeah, I like them a lot. Next, we look at five Turner acrylic gouache, the regular colors. So grayish purple, grayish blue, grayish green, rose sienna, and burnt sienna. I have some of these, both these Japanese, the regular Turners and the Holbein acrylic gouache for a long time. A long time is something like a few months. And there is a difference between them. Holbein, I really like their combinations and their pastel colors. They have really beautiful colors. Turner, the regular colors are very pigmented, which I like. And here I have a few of the specialty colors, but they also has a lot of regular colors, especially in the sets, which I like less. And the Japanese colors I really like. They're very gritty, but they're less pigmented on my opinion, and less I don't know if to call it strong. The consistency is more diluted, I think, for me. So let's look at others. I also bought the Turner acrylic gouache mixing white, the pastel green, one moment, pastel green, pastel olive, and pastel enamel, which is very close to this color, and I think it will be very good for portraits and for nature drawings. So I think we will do a series about the Holbein acrylic gouache, like I will swatch each color category. And I will also do some videos on the Japanese acrylic gouache of Turner and the regular acrylic gouache of Turner. I wanted to show you some paintings I did with them. So the first painting I did with them, especially with the Japanese, colors and some of the Holbein ones. They're teats, they're very nice. It's something that I did for practice, but I like the result. Another painting I did is a self-portrait. It's the first one I ever did. It's not perfect, but I like the result because it's the first one. And this is from a Netflix series called Love O2O, which I really love. And I wanted to honor this series and just painting something from there. So that's all for today. We'll see the acrylic gouache more later. I really like to paint with them. They are very flat and very pigmented, and they are really, really amazing colors. So thank you everyone for watching, and yeah, have a wonderful time. Bye.